Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region at the top. Here we've got the list of applied languages. We've got English, so let's tap on Add Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all we have to do is to find the language which we'd like to apply and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish, and your device will immediately ask you if you want to change the system language to the new one. So just tap on Change to confirm. And now the Turkish language has been immediately applied to the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, as I've got Turkish and English, we can change them quickly by reordering the languages. So let me tap on English and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And now you can see that we just changed everything to English. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Delete and mark the language which you'd like to remove. Tap on Remove, tap on OK, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.